that was the Skyvik mobile clip lenses, the Signi Pro 2-in-1 lens. So in this video we're gonna see about this external lens. So basically clip lenses are external lenses for your smartphones. So we have chosen to review the Skyvik brand today. So we have the Skyvik 2-in-1 Pro lens kit. They call them as the pocket DSLR. That's the tagline for the lens. I like it, man. So yes, in this video we are going to see all about this external mobile lens. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Kario from India. We talk photography, filmmaking, editing and many other social media stuffs that help creators like us. Now let's get into the video. So the first question every one of you would have in mind is why you chose Skyvik, right? Yes. Actually, I didn't go for or check any reviews before choosing this brand. What I did is I just listed up some of the mobile lens brands under my budget and just texted them on Instagram, and surprisingly I got a reply from Skyvik while the other two brands didn't reply. Not an issue. So that was one point. Customer interaction, they made a customer interaction with me. I was being the customer that time, right? So yes, I had an interaction with them and I just asked them like which lens to buy from the brand, and they were like all their lenses were good, you can just go for the Skyvik 2-in-1 Pro lens. And I just asked the reason why that lens in specific, and they just gave a answer like it's one of their high-end premium lens. So yes, that was more than enough for me to accept that lens. And also the third reason I chose Skyvik was when I checked some of their competitors, I could see like their competitors' images on Instagram are of more a similar niche, while Skyvik had different genre of images posted on their Instagram. That was not a big deal, but yes, there was one more point that made me to go for Skyvik. So these were the three reasons I chose Skyvik lens, and especially as they said 2-in-1 Pro was their high-end premium lens, and that's why I just went for that. And friends, if you see this product on Amazon, it was around 2k, that is 2000 rupees, and the same product on Skyvik's website was with some 5 or 10%, I don't remember that, I think 5% discount. I will put here, I forgot that how much percentage. There was a percentage discount from their MRP. So I just bought the lens from their own website. So that's how lens reached me. You know guys, one thing I want to say this, I have their Skyvik box. This was the package that I received from Skyvik. So before unboxing, one thing that impressed me is they have given like, attention, please make a video while unboxing. For any damage or loss, goods claim. Generally, I don't see these kind of informations from the brand itself. How many of you do that, guys? Do you really take a video of something that you just got delivered? What if something else was in the package? So this was a good gesture from Skyvik. Skyvik, I just appreciate that. So yes, I too took a video of this unboxing. So let's unbox this package. One more good thing about buying this Signi product is this like card or dislike card. On the like side, they have given like, hey there, we thank you for your order. Product reviews from awesome customers like you help others to feel more confident about choosing Skyvik. Could you please take a few moments to share your experience in form of a product review? That's what I'm doing now. And if you see this unlike side of this card, unhappy with our purchase, if you have any issues, just mail me, mail Skyvik and we will do whatever we can to make it right and make you happy. See these small gestures from Signi, I just love it guys. We also have another card in the form of an Instagram post. It just says capture beautiful shots with Signi and share on Instagram using See with Signi hashtag and get a chance to win Skyvik goodies. That's nice. One more card, a thank you card. Actually, I saw the front side of this card, but I missed to note what was in the back. They are providing an 18 months extended warranty and 15% off on your next product from Skyvik if you register your first product. How did I miss to see this? Just now I am seeing this guys. It's more than 15 days I have been using this product. So anyway, now if I register also, I don't think I will have some offers. That's okay. If you're buying, do register and get those offer and extended warranty. Yes, we have unboxed this Skyvik 2-in-1 Pro lens. It looks premium guys and just has a classy finish. I just love this metallic finish on this lens. Even this plastic clip is of high quality. It looks really nice guys, so it has a good look, and even you see this lens design is like that of a DSLR lens. You have this curves on its top, right? I just love it. It's mentioned as 0.45 wide angle lens with 15x macro, and there's Skyvik branding on the other end. So macro lenses are used to take big images of small things, and wide angle lenses, you know, to just have a wide view. So yes guys, you may ask me, where is the other lens? You have only one, right? This lens is actually a combination of two lenses, I said, right? So we have to remove one of this to use the second lens. See, we have two lenses now. So this is the macro, and if you attach this wide angle to the macro, it turns out to a wide angle lens. Let's thread it. So yes guys, now we have the lens in our hand. Let's go ahead and take some images and videos and let's see how this lens performs. This is the lens case. It looks more reliable and highly premium quality case. It's hard enough to provide maximum safety to the lens that's inside the case. Let's now attach the lens with the clip. So we just need to rotate the clip clockwise, and yes, now we have attached the lens with the clip. Let's fix the lens on the mobile camera. We need to make sure that it's at the exact center so that we can avoid some distortions. Let's see some of the photos taken with this wide angle lens. These are some of the sample images taken on my Redmi Note 5 Pro mobile with the Skyvik 2-in-1 wide angle lens. I will show you a comparison of two images. So this image is like the left one is taken with the wide angle lens and the right image is taken without the wide angle lens, just with my mobile camera. This is a live example of how the lens actually changes the view of the image. This is the view in the camera without the lens, and this is the view with the wide angle lens. There is a huge difference, but yet we find some minute distortions at the edges. This is quite normal with all the budget lenses. So moving on to the macro lens, let's see some of the photos taken with this macro lens. These are some of the sample images that I have taken with the Skyvik 2-in-1 Pro lens on the macro lens. Attaching it with my Redmi Note 5 Pro camera, we can find a huge depth in all these images. That's so nice. Now let's see how the wide angle lens performs for video. So this is the view with the lens, and let me remove the lens from the camera. As I remove the lens, you can find a huge difference on the mobile. I hope this is clearly visible how much difference this lens makes in the camera. This is another video sample with the wide angle lens attached. In the comparison view, you can just quickly compare between how the mobile looks without the Signi wide lens and with the lens. There is a huge difference that's been noticeable here. This is another comparison where we have a better wide view on our camera when the Signi lens is attached.
So this is a normal camera without the wide angle lens.
Wait a minute.
So this is the wide angle lens attached to the front camera.
It's so wide, guys. You can see like you have the background view and here also visible. Right on the This comparison shows us how wide the lens actually is. So whenever you are vlogging, you can use this lens. You need not worry about like you are the only person visible on the screen, as this lens makes the view really wide so that your background is also available at a greater extent. You can also see this example where I was recording the video and was actually checking how wide this lens could make that video. Let's see some of the video samples from the macro lens. If you are already following me on Instagram, you would have probably seen this video. If not, do check out my Instagram where you will have many videos made by me with these lens and many other things as well. I could take beautiful macro shots with this Signi 2-in-1 Pro macro lens. I just love those shots. Welcome back. What do you think about this lens, guys? Do comment below and also let me know. I feel like this lens is pretty good. The macro could have been a little bit of a higher range, as they mentioned it being a premium lens. Maybe a 20mm macro would have worked better. That was my suggestion. That's alright, Signi. And yes, the wide angle lens is just beautiful, guys. I just loved it. I loved taking images. Maybe we should make a comparison between my GoPro and this wide angle lens attached to my mobile. What do you think? Let me know. I hope this video was really helpful for you to know more about this mobile clip lens from Signi. If yes, do hit that like button. And yes, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching till now. We'll meet you in another interesting video. Until then, it's your Kario signing off.